Welcome to Sketcher Zone 1. Monthly video. Excavation and transportation. In 8B, Subzone 2, following the intervention to remove contaminated soil, the soil's natural recovery is evident, thanks to the special conditions in this area. Nature's ability to recover is admirable. Excavation. All the excavation for the purpose of remediation is completed. $3,100,000 tons have been excavated cumulatively up to April 2025. Transportation. All the contaminated soil for remediation is transported to the treatment center. 3,430,000 tons have been transported to the treatment center cumulatively up to April 2025. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. 105,000 tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads this month. 3,200,000 tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads, cumulative up to April 2025. All the contaminated soil to be remediated in the band 5% to 7% TPH has been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Remediation progress. Bioremediation. During this month, the following activities and outcomes were observed in the bioremediation process. Tilling, irrigation, inoculum addition, and surfactant addition were performed on a total of 52 batches, covering approximately 469,219 tons of soil. A total of 48 soil samples were taken. This consists of 10 baseline samples, 32 IPT samples, and 6 verification treatment samples. For this month, 36,000 tons have achieved the RTC through bioremediation. The soil washing plant. 27 batches of soil were placed for treatment using the soil washing method. For this month, 7,000 tons have achieved RTC through soil washing. The breakdown is as follows: 2,230,000 tons in band 1% to 5%, 210,000 tons in band 5% to 7%, 100,000 tons in band 7% to 10%. Total soil remediated, cumulative up to April 2025, is 2,540,000 tons. 2,390,000 tons through bioremediation and 150,000 tons through the soil washing process. Landfill. 651,862 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by Lamor with a total of 14,656 trips. $540,211 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by HISCO with a total of 11,082 trips. A total of 1,192,073 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill with a total of 25,738 trips.